Shit.
Ons soek vir Jocelyn Smith Bill. Kom op fok raak hier nie. Goed as jy sonder bewyse en kap
Why
nie.
are you entertaining Uncle
Why
Linda?
did you pay Kelly to take Jocelyn Smith? Jy werk met Kelly. Huh?
My word.
Ons soek ons kind.
I can't. Dean.
Yes, you stole Jocelyn, man. Ons soek haar terug. What the fuck? Like, oh. Kom praat van 'n county.
I'm not going to talk to a fucking criminal.
I
fucking
won't talk to a human
pedophile
trafficker.
on this line because he's a fucking pedophile and a criminal.
Okay, I muted both of you guys. Oh fuck! Listen, I'm struggling. Everyone keeps on unmuting themselves, and I'm losing my fucking will to live. Can we just be respectful? Brought the
I
big
will, but
lock
she's a
the
pedophile.
door.
I get muted.
Jy as
The
'n raper.
pedophile. The
You raped my
pedophile
cousin.
fucking
You
scammer.
raped my
Did you
cousin.
talk?
Wow.
Wow, you can't call a
someone a
pedophile.
pedophile just like
Wow.
that, man.
You're beyond. Wow.
Fuck face.
Dis 'n hol eter.
Is er
Dis
een fuck van die duivel?
jy het 'n pil. Ek sal jou pil sê net ou. Raak rustig.
Die duivel se doos.
Okay,
jy
julle, julle
Ja,
is
swart
kan
boy.
kan ek is fok ek gaan nou weer probeer.
Diamond swart boy.
Ek gaan nou
Duivel
mute.
swart boy, man.
As hy nou 'n boy is, hy as beer 'n swart boy.
Okay, mute. Ek
Ja,
probeer almal mute.
you're
Oh,
in.
fuck.
You're in. I
As
know
soon
you
as I mute everyone, everyone unmutes themselves.
Etter. Etter.
Anton,
Jy
man, gaan
gehoor?
met naai. Wie is Damien swart boy? Voet sê. Jou sleg poes. Yes, as
Christian het jou in die hol genei net al. Sê die waarheid. Moenie kom praat van pedofiel kak hier.
Nee,
nie.
luister,
Jy het 'n pil.
nee.
Sy
Dis
het
nou
'n pil.
like, kan ek nie mooi
Sy
bro.
sê ek is 'n pedofiel Dini.
Know that. You are disgusting human being.
You are disgusting pill
Bottom
saver.
of my heart.
I've never ever scammed anybody
Can
on this.
I ask something
scammed
out of
you,
the
bitch.
bottom of my heart?
Yeah, you
Can I
did.
ask-
I did, and I gave it to you willingly because
I
you
will
told
come
me.
in your poepel gat.
You
Jy
know,
sê my
Uncle Linda,
fokol, ek is
you
moeg
told
van jou
me
lang
because your
ore
kids
bitch.
would-
Hey, jy het genoeg gepraat. Jy het fucking lang oor jou stuk nei. Jy
I'm
sê
like,
my
fuck
fokol
you.
oor.
You
Wat?
told me your kids
What?
were starving and
Oh,
I gave you money. And you scammed me.
Oh, nou jou cry jou
scammed me,
fucking
and
dik
I didn't even
koeklap.
have,
Hello, jou handdelle. Jy sê my niks. Gaan speel met jou flat.
I didn't even have the money and I gave it to you. you piece of shit.
Jou groot handdelle.
Dini, just
Fat
throw everybody
clitoris.
out. Throw
fucking
everyone
muting
out,
me.
Dini.
I'm really trying, Pura, but I'm trying
fuck,
to
man.
mute everyone.
Okay,
But as
I
soon
I can't do this, Didi.
Throw everyone out the
What
boat.
the
He
fuck?
told me, mate. He told
Oh,
me he's going to
yes.
starve me.
Pura,
You
gave
you
you
have
money.
big
Can't
puss
even
how do
slipper.
I stop this?
You
No, I'm
told
the
me
bad
you have
person.
big
No, I'm
puss
the bad
slipper.
person.
You have an
Where's
STD,
the
you said.
moderator?
Why, man?
Pura, I'm making
I
you a mod
saved
right
you, Night
now.
Owl.
Okay.
Go.
You STD, bitch. You said, man, that Balakan gave you an STD and shit. I was
Stop
there for you,
pretend.
Night Owl.
Aye.
I'm not pretending I gave this
Fuck off,
bitch
stop it now. Jy praat nou kak, man.
Wag op.
sy
Dini, hoe ver
hangpoeslipper.
is jy by daai knoppie?
Linda, wag op.
Ja, ek
Okay.
sien op die game.
Kom ek sê julle
I wil nie. You can only
fake
add.
crying.
You're not my follower, Pura. It says you can only add followers as moderators.
Wait, die is fake crying. Jy kan nie iemand 5 sekondes gelede pedofiel noem te hy
Apology
jou
now.
belaglik.
Thank
Exactly.
you.
Yes, fake crying,
there we
julle.
go.
Pas net op. Hierdie vrou se duiwel. Ek sê julle,
ja.
hierdie ding is 'n duiwel. Is fake
No,
fucking
it's
crying.
still not.
Jy kan nie iemand 'n pedofiel noem, dan kom hy
Pura.
nie omdat jy geskeem
Okay,
is.
so just throw them out. Just throw them out.
Okay, I will.
Throw out.
Yeah, I'm going.
If you throw me out, die poes gaan bang. Face my.
I'll keep I'll... Jesus, Pura.
Wat die fuck het gebeur?
Nee, die Here alleen weet. I lost all control. Yes, who are PRM and Dean now. I'm not accepting anyone. Pura, please, can I try and add you as a mod? Because
Yes.
I can't control it. I'm going back to you and I'll go there. Add moderator. Okay, I'm adding you now.
And
Okay.
you must give me full rights.
I did, except everyone said except the live recording or fucking whatever.
Cool.
Okay, so now we can go ahead again. People can request. But Pura, please just like, listen, ek soek nie kak nie. I want
Maar hoor my net gaga uit. Ek is gerook, nê? So alles is vir my nou fucking snaaks. Jy moet net dit verstaan. Ek lag my fucked up vir al hierdie kak agter my mute knoppie. Jy het geen idee nie. Soos
Jy's gerook en ek's gepil.
Oh my God. En ek is nugter en ek weet nie hoe die kak werk nie. Weet jy wat se fok is dit?
ek gaan lag vir alles op die oomblik. So as hulle weer wil terugkom, dan o Here, hier kom een.
Okay, maar dis nou up to julle om die peace te hou, asseblief.
Yes, ons chill nou hierso. Maar julle
Ja.
gaan nie vir fuckface in die boks insit nie.
Nee, luister julle, soos ek julle sê, hierdie is my fucking life. En sy was nog net goed met my. Ek sê dit nou vir julle.
Ons weet fuckface was goed met jou, maar vanaand
Nee, sy sê fuck was sy, haar naam is Robin, en sy was
Fuckface.
baie goed met my julle.
Fuckface.
Ja, Red, gee my gou 'n sekond.